Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with 3B's weekly Monday update as to what videos I plan to do, fingers crossed, this week. I do have to say I'm feeling pretty crap, to be honest. I've got a cold, so that puts a downer on things. But other than that, I'm still working away on learning Solidity. Couldn't quite do it in a week, there's a surprise. So I will be doing that, and it's a big project, so it means that I will be concentrating a lot of my time on that. But that doesn't mean to say I forget about you. So I do plan on doing some streaming when I'm starting to feel better. I don't particularly want to sit down and play a computer game at the computer and talk and stuff for several hours on end. So I probably won't be doing any streaming this week. However, there are some calibrations that I never actually got around to for TVs that I never actually got around to finish. I took the results and everything ages ago when I managed to get that calibrator and get access to several TVs and so on. So I do aim to sort of update that section, and I'll do that as an ongoing thing. So we'll start sort of updating a lot of the, and adding to a lot of the calibrations that I was doing a while ago, and I've thought of a better way of doing it as well, I think. And I was expecting to get my S10 Plus from BT, who had kindly said that I could upgrade my SIM-only contract to include a new phone. So I took that opportunity. Unfortunately, as soon as I did that, they ran out of stock. So I do aim to do a review, but a review that also compares it to the Note 9 that I have, and the differences between that. And there's something about the Note 9 that really bugs me, and I will get onto that during that review. I've also got a new Samsung watch in the pipeline, which I think is coming next week as well. So there's a few reviews around sort of Samsung-y stuff. Nothing's particularly new. It's just my take on it, and it's going to be more of a concentration on whether you actually have a Note 9, as I do, and the reasons why I actually finally decided to go for the S10. And the benefits of that. And there's a really big benefit that I'll highlight that quite a few people don't seem to be grabbing onto. So that's this week. So hopefully I'll get my phone this week, but other than that, I'll probably do one or two streaming things throughout the week, maybe Wednesday, possibly Friday, depending on how I'm feeling. Excuse me, and I will also be adding some of the calibration videos sort of over the next few weeks as well as we move forward. I want to add more of those because in lots of ways it's kind of what I'm kind of known for in a way. That's pretty much what I started out doing. So there we go. I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.